Okay, everybody. Well, here is the bakery, and it is, I would say, 99% complete. I've got a miniature flashlight in there for temporary lighting. And why is it 99% complete and not completely complete? Well, it doesn't have decals, and it doesn't have a lot of little tchotchkes that went around it. Like there was some barrels and 55-gallon drums, and there were a little like plants in a pot and other things, but I could always add that later. Uh, Unfortunately, the problem is that the decals that came with this kit, it did have something printed on there that said 1974, so it's 50 years old. The decals look good, but when I put them in water, they literally disintegrated. So the only way I can get it to look like that is by printing the decals on printer decal paper and and doing it over. So that's something for another day. I'll have to figure out how to do that. And this is what it looks like. So thanks so much for watching. I still think it came out pretty darn good. All right. Thank you again. And I'm not so sure I like that, but it is original. See, that's not a decal. That's just a piece of paper. So I might have to go that route. Thanks again for watching, and please subscribe.